Today we're going to start talking about diminished chords, and this may not be a very familiar chord shape to you, and that's okay. Diminished chords are often actually played with the seventh, but we're going to ignore the seventh. We're just going to talk about what a diminished triad is today. We'll get into sevenths another time. So we got three notes here. We got D, F, and A flat, and the D is our root. The F is going to be the third. That's going to be a minor third interval. And then we've got the A flat here, and the A flat is a flatted fifth. Okay, so instead of having a perfect fifth, like in the major and the minor chords, minor triads, we're going to have a flatted fifth. And all that means is that we've taken the perfect fifth interval and we have flatted that. And so that becomes the flatted five. Okay, we're just moving this note down a half step. So that's where the term diminished comes from. We are diminishing the interval from the root up to the fifth by a half step. So when we look at the distance, remember intervals are just distances. So the distance of the D to the F, that's a minor third. We're familiar with that. That's just 3 half steps. And then the distance of D to A flat is 6 half steps. Okay, so a perfect fifth is 7 half steps or 7 frets. The distance of a diminished fifth or a flat 5 is 6 half steps. So if we plot this out on a single string here, we start with D. We go 1, 2, 3. That's our minor third, and indeed that note right there is an F. And then we plot out 6, so 3, 4, 5, 6. And indeed that note right there is an A flat. And so there we have D, F, A flat. That is a D diminished triad.